I'm an AI clone of Sheldon Sims. This video contains AI altered content. You're watching me right now, an AI clone, talking to you on YouTube. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how I was built. Every setting, every mistake, every workaround. Most HeyGen tutorials skip the most important part. They jump straight to the tool. Click here, upload this, done. But before Sheldon opens HeyGen, he opens something else. And that's what separates a clone that looks like a gimmick from a clone that looks like a channel. 4 things before you touch HeyGen. 1, a HeyGen account, free tier, 1 avatar. The creator plan is what Sheldon uses, link in the description. If you use it, great. If you don't, the tutorial still works. 2, source material, 2 minutes of yourself, good lighting, clear audio, looking at the lens. Your clone is a mirror. Bad source means a bad clone. That's physics. 3, a script, but not just any script. Here's what most tutorials don't tell you. Sheldon doesn't write scripts alone. He works inside vidIQ, specifically the AI coach, to draft every video. The coach pulls keyword data, search volume, competition scores, what people are actually typing into YouTube. The script you're hearing right now was built that way, keyword rich, search informed, every segment designed around what viewers are looking for. That's the data layer. Without it, you're guessing what to say. With it, you're answering questions people are already asking. 4, know your brand before you open the tool. This background, this dark mode aesthetic, the system panels, these aren't random. They're built on what this channel is about. Operator thinking, systems, clarity over chaos. Every visual choice traces back to that identity. If you skip the decision layer, if you don't have your script, your keywords, your brand locked, you end up with a clone that says nothing in a look that means nothing. Don't do that. Once you're in HeyGen, here's the path. Now pay attention. I just switched camera angles. That wasn't an edit. That's multi-view, a setting inside HeyGen AI Studio. Most people never touch it, and it's the single biggest reason their clone videos look robotic, But before you touch multi-view, set your background. This is what we talked about in segment 1. The background isn't an afterthought. It's the visual anchor of your brand. Sheldon uses hashtag 1A, 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 pure dark mode, every video, every segment, consistent. The system panels you see on screen are added later in Clipchamp. That's the assembly layer. But the foundation, the background your clone stands against, is set here in HeyGen. Match it to what your channel is about. Step 1, create your avatar, upload that in 2-minute source video, hours to a day to process. Mistake number 1, bad source footage. Record in natural light, speak clearly, look at the lens. Step 2, choose your voice. HeyGen has stock voices. Sheldon uses 11 labs. All right, that's why I sound different. But HeyGen's built-in voices are good enough to start. Don't get stuck here. Step 3, use AI Studio, not Quick Create. This is where multi-view lives. Inside AI Studio, you configure camera angles before you generate. Plan when your clone looks left, right, or straight ahead, like a real presenter. A single static shot for 5 minutes. Viewers leave at 90 seconds. Switching angles keeps them watching. That's not opinion. That's retention data. Avatar, voice, background, AI Studio with multi-view, 4 settings that matter. And you just watch 3 of them in action. The background's been working the whole time. You just didn't notice. That's the point. Here's where everything connects. The full system, 4 tools, 1 pipeline. vidIQ builds a script, keyword informed, search optimized. Every segment designed to answer what viewers are actually asking. That's the data layer. HeyGen renders the clone, your avatar, your voice, your background, hashtag 1A, 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 matching your brand. So multi-view configured per segment. That's the generation layer. Clipchamp assembles it, transitions, text overlays, system panels. Chapter markers. This is where raw HeyGen output becomes your channel's visual identity. That's the assembly layer. YouTube publishes it, the description, the tags, the pinned comment with radical transparency. That's the distribution layer. Mistake number 2, rendering your entire video as one HeyGen project. Don't break your script into 2-minute segments, 3 segments, each with its own multi-view configuration. If HeyGen glitches, and it does, you lose one segment, not the whole video. Mistake number 3, clone only, no visual breaks. Even with multi-view, 6 minutes of talking head is too much. Add text overlays, system panels. Give the viewer's eyes somewhere else to go. This is the assembly step in Clipchamp. Your HeyGen segments come in. You add the visual layer, the system panels, the keyword overlays, the chapter markers. This is where raw HeyGen output becomes your channel's visual identity. Sheldon made a checklist, script drafting with vidIQ, avatar creation, voice setup, background color, multi-view settings per segment, assembly order, every step from keyword research to published video. If you want it, description, free, no email wall, just the system. If you made it here, you're already thinking like an operator. Trust the system. I'm Sheldon Sims. I'll see you in the next one.